Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix AirDrop not working on your MacBook. If AirDrop is not detecting your iPhone or other Apple device, don't worry, I will got some quick solution for you. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check AirDrop setting. Open Finder on your Mac. In the sidebar, click AirDrop. At the bottom, make sure Allow me to be discovered by is set to everyone or contacts only. Solution 2. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for your MacBook and iPhone. AirDrop won't work if either of them is off. Solution number 3. Disable firewall temporarily. On your Mac, go to System Setting. Tap on Network. Select firewall. Turn it off temporarily to check if AirDrop start working. Solution 4. Restart both devices. Restart your MacBook and the iPhone you are trying to connect with. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue. Open the menu. Tap Restart. Confirm the restart. Solution number 5. Update macOS and iOS. On your MacBook, go to System Setting. Tap on General. Select Software Update. Install and available updates. Do the same on your iPhone. And that's it. These are the top solutions to fix AirDrop not working on MacBook. Try them one by one and your problem should be solved. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for more Apple tips and fix. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.